Today we are here to talk about the CarniPro, the new product from Wisbrug. The usual prey of a carnivore are normally other vertebrates. Their carcasses are normally similar between species when we talk about import nutrients. Big quantity of protein, calcium and phosphorus in big quantities and in good proportions, and also good quantity of vitamins and minerals. The water and fat will depend a bit of the year and the body condition of the prey. The fat present of the carcass is also really important due to the high quantity of minerals and fat-soluble vitamins. The lack of vitamin E and selenium in captivity causes many causes of white muscle disease, which is a big problem. When we talk about wild carnivores or piscivores under human care, usually the main source of food is meat, farm animals meat, so we are talking about mainly muscle. When a predator catches a prey, normally he will eat the entire carcass, and the composition of the muscle is many different from the composition of the whole prey. Well, the muscle is a good source of amino acids, minerals like potassium, selenium, zinc and some vitamins, but really lacks in calcium, in magnesium, in vitamin A, vitamin D and vitamin E. So you can say that feeding a carnivore exclusively of meat will have a predictable end. That's why the use of supplements is so important. Because of this, we developed the Wisbrug CarniPro to make sure that the carnivores and the piscivores under human care will be properly nourished. There are many reasons that make us believe that our supplement is the best, but we can highlight that part of the vitamin A is used as a safe form from beta-carotene that cannot be overdosed. There are probiotics present that will help to keep a balanced intestinal flora. Also, we increase the vitamin A and organic selenium levels. As I mentioned, those are strong antioxidants that support immunity, especially in high-fat diets. Also have extra vitamin B1, which is broken down in frozen fish by thiaminase, and we all know how important this is. At least 50% of the minerals are added in their organic, safe and natural form. And finally, yeast cells walls added as support for the immune system. The way to put them on the meat, it's really easy. Just use the recommended doses. We have the scoop inside and all the instructions here on the back that people can see. Depending on the target species, there are a number of techniques that can help to make sure that the animal eats the supplement properly, and we are always open to give some advices about that. You can go to our website, you can ask us as many questions as you want, you can find our address, our email, our phone.